Me llamo Amy Smith y enseño español en Apollo STEAM Academy. I don't want them to just learn Spanish, I want them to experience Spanish. We look at other countries and what things are like there, and then we compare them to our own experiences here in the United States. But even my students who don't speak English at home, there's a lot of similarities between Spanish and French, Spanish and Arabic. Spain was actually controlled by Arabs for about 700 years. And so there's a lot of influence in the architecture and in the food and also in the language. I have a mini cocina, a mini kitchen in my classroom, and a couple times a year I wheel out my little mini kitchen and I do cooking demonstrations for my kids. And I do it all in Spanish. It uses either the vocabulary or the grammar that we're currently studying, but I prepare for them some sort of food that they have never had before. I did gazpacho from Spain, Salvadoran quesadilla to practice our different tenses. We've made buñuelos, and when you have those memorable lessons, they remember everything and they want to know more. There's so much more to a language than just the words, and the culture is what helps us connect.